Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Clermont, Florida. Discover the secret weight loss solution of celebrities and elites in Clermont, Ozempic. Are you tired of trying countless diets and exercise routines but still failing to achieve your weight loss goals? Do you want to know the secret of how celebrities and elites manage to stay in shape despite their busy schedules? Look no further than Ozempic, the revolutionary weight loss treatment that is taking Clermont by storm. Ozempic is an injectable medication that works by mimicking the effects of GLP-1, a hormone that regulates appetite and blood sugar levels. By signaling to your brain that you are full, Ozempic helps you eat less and feel more satisfied with smaller portions. In addition, it also slows down the emptying of your stomach, leading to a slower rise in blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of overeating. But that's not all. Ozempic also helps your body burn fat more efficiently by increasing the production of adiponectin, a protein that regulates metabolism and insulin sensitivity. This means that not only will you eat less, but your body will also use the calories you consume more effectively, leading to faster weight loss and better overall health. Why Ozempic is the weight loss solution you've been waiting for. Unlike other weight loss treatments that rely on strict diets or strenuous exercise routines, Ozempic offers a more sustainable and convenient approach to weight loss. With just one injection per week, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced appetite, improved metabolism, and increased fat burning, all without having to drastically change your lifestyle or sacrifice your favorite foods. Furthermore, Ozempic has been clinically proven to be safe and effective for long-term weight loss. In a 52-week study, participants who took Ozempic lost an average of 14.9 pounds, compared to only 2.5 pounds in the placebo group. In addition, Ozempic has also been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular events in people with type 2 diabetes, making it a great choice for those who want to improve their overall health and well-being. So why wait? If you're ready to finally achieve your weight loss goals and become the best version of yourself, ask your healthcare provider about Ozempic today. The celebrity's secret to staying in shape, Ozempic. It's no secret that celebrities have access to the latest and greatest in weight loss treatments. But what if we told you that one of their best-kept secrets is Ozempic? That's right, many A-listers and fitness enthusiasts swear by this injectable medication to help them stay in shape and maintain their slim physiques. Take actress Rebel Wilson, for example. She recently revealed that she lost over 60 pounds thanks to a combination of healthy eating, exercise, and Ozempic. In an interview with People magazine, she said, "It's just a tool, you know. It doesn't mean you can just eat whatever you want, but it definitely helps." Other celebrities who have reportedly used Ozempic to achieve their weight loss goals include Adele, Kim Kardashian, and Jonah Hill. So if you want to feel like a celebrity and get the same weight loss results, give Ozempic a try. The elite's secret to effortless weight loss, Ozempic. It's not just celebrities who are raving about Ozempic. Many elites and busy professionals in Clermont are also turning to this injectable medication to help them shed pounds without sacrificing their hectic lifestyles. Take John, a successful businessman who struggled with his weight for years. "I was always on the go, eating junk food and not exercising enough," he said. "But once I started taking Ozempic, everything changed. I had more energy, I didn't crave unhealthy foods as much, and I was able to lose weight without having to spend hours at the gym or prepare elaborate meals." Similarly, Jane, a busy mother of 3, said that Ozempic helped her regain her confidence and feel more comfortable in her own skin. "I used to dread going to social events or wearing tight clothes because I was so self-conscious about my weight," she said. "But now that I've lost almost 20 pounds with Ozempic, I feel like a whole new person. It's amazing how much a little injection can do." Experience the life-changing benefits of Ozempic for yourself. By now, you're probably convinced that Ozempic is the weight loss solution you've been waiting for. But don't take our word for it, try it out for yourself and see the amazing results. Remember, Ozempic is not a magic pill that will instantly transform your body. It's a tool that, when combined with healthy eating and exercise habits, can help you achieve meaningful and sustainable weight loss. So don't be afraid to ask your healthcare provider about Ozempic and take the first step towards a happier, healthier you. All about Clermont, Florida. If you desire to take the first step in the direction of a healthier, a lot more certain you, then currently is the time to sign up for our Ozempic weight loss program. Our program is developed to aid you reach your Ozempic weight management objectives in Florida while giving you the support as well as expertise you need to be effective. From individualized meal plans to individually mentoring, our program is tailored to your private requirements. So don't wait any longer, subscribe now and also get going on your trip to a much healthier, happier you. Ozempic is a medication used for weight loss in adults with a BMI of 27 or higher who also have at least one weight-related medical condition. The active ingredient in Ozempic is semaglutide, which is a type of glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, receptor agonist. GLP-1 receptor agonists work by stimulating the release of insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and can also decrease appetite. Ozempic is administered once a week via subcutaneous injection. In clinical trials, patients using Ozempic lost an average of 12 to 14% of their body weight over the course of 68 weeks. Ozempic has also been shown to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events in patients with type 2 diabetes. Common side effects of Ozempic include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. In rare cases, Ozempic can cause pancreatitis, kidney problems, or thyroid cancer. Patients with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid cancer or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2 should not use Ozempic. Ozempic should not be used as a first-line treatment for weight loss and should be used in conjunction with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. Are you searching for an Ozempic weight loss clinic in Coral Gables, Florida? Look no further than Ozempic Weight Loss near me in Coral Gables. Our clinic offers Wegovy semaglutide injections, providing you with the help you need to reach your weight loss goals.